How can I pretty print JSON using JavaScript? How can I display JSON in an easy-to-read, for human readers, format? I'm looking primarily for indentation and white space, with perhaps even colors, font styles, etc. Pretty printing is implemented natively in JSON stringifier. The third argument enables pretty printing and sets the spacing to use. If you need syntax highlighting, you might use some regex magic like so. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.